What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be talking about Tesla, just the overall technical analysis like we do, breaking it down, and then we're going to go over my prediction where I think it's heading. Now before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this video. Now, Tesla up 5% today. Now on Friday, we just plummeted on Friday. Well, we didn't plummet, but it was a rough day nonetheless. But today, we regained a lot of that back. We actually are above Friday's high. So that is a positive. Now, we have pushed up a little more than we are right now. So we are seeing a little bit of a pullback, but that's okay. That happens during this time of the market. Low volume, not quite as much as it was in the morning. So we should see some volume returning probably in power hour. Now, I'm bringing up the S&P 500 chart because Tesla's in that now, so it's good to just watch that and gauge where that's at. Currently, what we're sitting at is up 86 points. So this was pretty huge for the S&P 500. Now, what I want to see though ultimately is us. It's tough. It's tough right now because we have this high right here, and we have this all-time high. So ideally, I want to see us get above this. Hopefully, we can push above that, come back to pull down maybe right here or right here. But right now, what we're working with is, even though we get, we're up right now, anything else is considered a lower high. So we're technically still in a downtrend if we do not get above this. Now for Tesla, same thing with Tesla. Tesla actually has quite a ways to go. Now for Tesla, what I want us to see us get above right now or in the next coming days is get above 745. Just because this was our last high right here. So this was the downtrend, pushed up, pull back. You can consider that like a lower high or higher low. It's on the edge. But if we get above 745, at least we're making those higher highs again. So from a technical standpoint, getting above that. So push up, get above this one right here. Great. Maybe we pull back down to here, keep making those higher lows, and then just start uptrending again. So that's ideal. Now, that's not going to be picture perfect, but that's our road to recovery. So Tesla still has quite some ways to go, but we're starting that recovery. Now, I would like to mention though, ARK, they've been buying Tesla up. So they've been buying every dip on Tesla. They've been buying it, and a lot of it too. We're talking about millions, hundreds of millions of dollars in Tesla. So that's also reassuring as well, because ARK buying all the dip on Tesla, that lets you know that they still believe in the company and that they are taking advantage of this opportunity. Now, if you scroll out in the bigger picture, if you look at Tesla, this looks like a good pullback. Technically, we still had plenty of more room to fall, but if we get above this area right here that I was talking about, 745, then that confirmed it. That was the higher low, and then the next, now we're starting to make the higher high. Now, if we keep getting rejected, it's going to be tough, guys. It's really going to be tough because we've already tested this area twice already. It's only so many times before this area breaks. So you do not want it really getting to 667 again. You do not want it getting there, just because, as I mentioned earlier, the more we test that support, the weaker it can get, and then buyers aren't able to show up anymore, or there's more sellers, and then we fall right through it. So really, I do not want to see us testing that level again, because if we do, then that would be the third time, and then it's more likely to fall through, and the sellers are able to control this area, and we fall lower. So ideally, do not want to see that falling through. Now, on the big picture, as I just mentioned earlier, this is looking good. This is looking real good, big picture. So we've done this before. We've pushed up. We got carried away. We consolidated here. And then we just been on this amazing bull run on Tesla ever since November 17th. This thing can't go up forever. We were expecting to pull back soon, and I think we got it. We just need to hold this area and then start reclaiming these highs. Now, you guys know that I don't use indicators, but if you want to take a look at the RSI on the 4-hour, we're starting to bounce here. So we were really oversold, and even now we're up huge. We're still up 5% almost today, and we're still low on the RSI. So we still got a lot more room to go. We still have a lot more room to go, especially with Tesla. But overall, I'm bullish on Tesla. So basically, to summarize everything, guys, to condense this, what you need to see is continuation and a close above. It doesn't have to be today. A close above 745, and hopefully not to test 667 again. So those are the two numbers you need to keep in your mind, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.